The Australian economy slips into recession for the first time, reportedly in some 29 years. So overnight, the Australian economy reported a GDP, a contraction, okay, not good, of minus 0.3% versus the last quarter of 0.5%. Still not as bad as expectations. General expectations were for minus 0.4%. But economists still note that the worst is yet to come for the economy. But nevertheless, despite the fact that they're in a technical recession, Australian dollar still holds some ground. Australian dollar still remains firm. Now, why do we continue to hold firm? Why are the bulls still hungry to push higher? Obviously, one thing actually that did offset that poor Australian GDP reading last night was Chinese data. Chinese Caixin PMIs, okay? Services and composite were actually both firmly above 50, stronger than expected numbers there, which is really, really good. Remember, Chinese data has an impact on AUD and NZD. Why? Because China is Australia and New Zealand's biggest two-way trading partner. So anything good that happens to China or negative, vice versa, we'll see the reaction respectively for AUD and NZD, in this case obviously being positive and supportive and somewhat cushioning the blow of what could have been a more of a harsher fall, or setting up for an excuse for a bit of a technical correction for AUD after all this pumping that we've seen. And of course, the risk appetite, the tone at the moment in the markets, and this dollar weakness continues to support the AUD, Australian dollar, to the upside for now. The way in which we could start seeing a shift in the trend for AUD right now is obviously, of course, if US and Chinese stuff flare up quite bad and it affects phase one, or the markets continue to see bad data from Australia, and then they start to price in further action to come from the RBA, the Central Bank of Australia, whether it's more cuts in interest rates, more QE, just something dovish of a nature to start to be priced in, as I say, if data continues to worsen for the economy. So guys, other than that, look, fundamental and technicals, we live and breathe every single day. Make them go hand in hand, giving you all those confluences as we can for our own research and devices, providing setups, trade ideas. Go to Freak Network, go click on become a member, just see what we offer, check it out. If it's a bit of you, excellent. If not, just continue to enjoy our blogs anyway. Stay lit, let's get it.